Welcome to our YouTube channel Home Tutorial 2020. Here is S. Pradhan. Today we are going to discuss a new topic. In this tutorial we are going to accept 10 different numbers and we are going to sum all the different numbers in the variable sum. So we are having a first index in the 0 place, that is 2, and in the 1 we have accept 6, 2, 1, 3 place 8, then 9, 3, 0, 4, 5, and the last value in the index 9 we have accepted 7. So in this way we have accepted 10 different numbers in a single dimensional array, and we are going to sum all these numbers in a variable sum. So we having a calculations, the variable sum is equal to sum plus array I. So array I is denote for the index. So this one will start from 0, 1, 2 and till 9. This one we have to run in a loop. So first number it will come 2, then it will add, then 6 plus, then 1 plus, 8 plus, 9 plus, 3 plus, 0 plus, 4 plus, 5 plus and 7. These all will sum together and it will store in a variable sum. So hope you have understood the concept how to sum all the 10 different numbers in a single dimensional array. So let's start our Java coding. So we are having a question: write a program to accept 10 different numbers in an array and display the sum. So we are having a class name. With the import we will start import java dot util dot scanner, class name array sum, enter curly brace open, write on the main method for the public static void main string arguments square bracket open close main method curly braces open int array name a equal to new int and the size 10 different numbers here, int I for index and sum is equal to 0 to add all the 10 different numbers. So here we will write the statement system dot out dot println, enter 10 different numbers. We having a message. First we write down the loop I is equal to 0, index will start from 0 till the 9 and I plus plus. So here inside this loop we will accept the array index equal to sc dot next int. So here we will use the scanner method, new scanner. This loop is for input the 10 different numbers and this loop is for calculating the sum of 10 different numbers. So here it will give sum, calculation is sum is equal to sum plus array I, and here we write down system dot out dot println to sum all the numbers. The statement is sum, you write down equal and plus the variable sum it will store, curly braces close for public and this for class. Compile this program. There is some error, check the error. Here we have to write down system dot in, compile, no syntax error, close, right click, void main, okay. Now we have to input 10 different numbers like 2, 4, 7, 8, 9, 2, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the total sum is equal to 2, 6. So this is the way we can sum all the 10 different numbers in a single dimensional array. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel and have a nice day.